Advance birthday surprise for Style just before the Bicol Loco event. Three days before Style's birthday ay eto nga may inihandang advance birthday surprise para sa kanya. And for sure, there will be more Styles birthday celebrations. Pero before his birthday ay may back-to-back event muna ang SB19 with Bicol Loco on June 14, 2025 at ang Binibining Pilipinas Grand Coronation Night on June 15, 2025. And then June 16 is our Sunshine Boys birthday.